Welcome to this video on weaving sustainability into India's textile future. We will explore how the industry is promoting a circular economy across its value chain. The textile industry is a foundational pillar of India's economy, ranking as the 6th largest exporter globally. It contributes 2% to GDP, 11% to manufacturing value added, and provides direct employment to over 45 million people, supporting women and rural workers. India's circular economy manages 7.8 million tons of textile waste annually. With a 70% recovery rate and 95% collection of pre-consumer waste, the sector also supports 40 to 45 lakh livelihoods, empowering marginalized women in the process. Sustainable material inputs are being driven by several key initiatives. These include the National Program for Organic Production, the expansion of the Jute Eye Care Project, and the New Age Fiber Mission for plant-based natural fibers. The industry is committed to eliminating hazardous chemicals, with a pilot project already reducing usage by over 10,000 tons. Furthermore, the textile sector is integrating into the Indian carbon market to track emissions and incentivize decarbonization. Our roadmap for a sustainable textile ecosystem includes the decentralized Navi Mumbai municipal model, concentrated recycling hubs like the one in Panipat, and the development of 7 state-of-the-art PM Mitra parks. In conclusion, market integration is accelerating through unified standards, institutionalized procurement of upcycled products, and industry-led voluntary commitments like the SHORE initiative.